Let's be real. AI tools are everywhere, but here's the thing, 99% of people are only scratching the surface. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini AI, Google's most advanced AI yet, to work smarter, unlock creativity, and automate repetitive tasks in way you probably have not tried yet. This is not a hype video. By the end, you will know specific strategies that I personally use to save time, create faster, and even generate ideas that feel original. So, let's jump straight in. So, first things first, which is productivity. Gemini AI is not just about answering questions, it's a workflow booster. Here's how I use it. Here's some basic example of how I use it. Simply for some sales pitch, email drafts, or replies, instead of wasting 20 minutes crafting emails by typing and polite responses, I just simply feed Gemini the context and let it generate a professional reply. I can still tweak it, like as you can see. It's a sales pitch. I'll just simply provide anyone's bio. Every professional has something in their bios. So simply, if I want to, pitch for this one, I'll just simply screenshot it and head copy their bio and go to the Gemini. I'll just simply paste the bio right here and also be adding the image. After simply it's done, all I have to do simply submit. And within a moment, it will generate some break. I don't know why it says this. Now let's try again. Simply click on go. So as you can see, it's funny. I specialize in brain, faceless YouTube channels to live, but with my editing skills, your agency will be anything but invisible. As a fellow creator who understands, as you can see, simply I don't have to write a single thing, and even I want to just imagine, just in case I don't like this, I just simply say it to make it better. As simple as that. So after that, and this section number two is, and the next is creativity. Most people think AI kills creativity, but if you're using it right, it's the opposite. Here's how I use this to boost my creativity even 10x. So if I stuck on any YouTube ideas, ad copy, or even blog titles, Gemini gives me options fast, and then I can refine them with my own voice and style. Like simply, I want to make a video on how to make chanted as a video. Simple. I want to make a video on this, but I don't have anything. All I have to do is to write this title and simply tell it to research. Simply, I'll tell it to research, as simple as that. Research about this as much as we can and then write the top 5 best ways. Intro and outro totally depends on me because I know how to hook. I know how I can deliver this. I can take the viewers to the end. So I'll just take the points from this, like, let's see. Instead of being jack of all trades, become a master of specific and demand niche. Okay, specializing in a high paying niche, corporate and marketing videos. Yes, it's great. YouTube and social media content for brands. It's also great. Course and online education content, which actually we do. Transition from freelancer to an agency owner. Yes. Adopt value based pricing and stop charging hourly. Secure monthly retainer clients. Build a strong personal brand and network. As you can see, it has given me the best 5 ways I can make $10,000 a month. And now with this, I can simply create a script. Even if I want, I can create it with the AI also, Gemini. After that, and if I want some visual or text generation for this script, simply we I can do with this because Gemini integrates with multimodal input. You can feed it an image for design suggestions or even combine visuals with written concepts for campaigns. Simply click on this and voila. And remember, it's not about letting Gemini replace your ideas. It's about accelerating your creative process. So If I had to sum this up, Gemini is more than just an AI chatbot. It's a productivity engine, a creativity booster, and an automation tool in one. If you start using it this way, delegating tasks, brainstorming smarter, and automating workflows, you will immediately feel the difference in how much you can get done. Now, I want to hear from you. Which area excites you the most? Productivity, creativity, or content creation? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because I'm dropping more deep dive tutorials on AI tools every single week. And I'll catch you in the next one.